Kangaroo predator! Martin, hide!
You're right! At the first sign of danger, Joey's like me head right to the safety of the pouch. I better find one fast. A wedge-tailed eagle. Pouch, here I come! Ah! Oh! Ah!
Look out!
Ah! Ah!
I'm gonna save you, bro!
Whoa, you really are a giant. That must be a 2.5-meter wingspan. Hey, careful with those curvy talons.
I can only hop 3 meters in the air, bro! But you're way higher than that!
Ow!
Aviva, come in! Martin's been snatched by a wedge-tailed eagle!
Where's it taking him, CK?
Just somewhere peaceful. Where he can eat him!
Ow. Look, I know these talons are powerful enough to crush a coconut, but I'm just a Kratt in a ruse suit. So can you loosen your grip, little Mr. Wedgie? Guess not, huh? Hey, I've got a joke for you. What did the fake Joey say to the wedge-tailed eagle? Give up? Let go of me! Ah!
Ah! Slow down, Martin!
Gravity doesn't work that way! Ah!
Activate kangaroo pouch power!
Coming in for a crash landing! Help!
I gotcha! I gotcha!
Nice catch, Chris.